On the back of the unit, you'll see 4 or 5 shipping bolts, depending on the model. If you get this message, the combo unit has detected those shipping bolts. Let's remove them. Your laundry combo comes with a special wrench to aid with installation. You can use the smaller, closed end to turn the bolts. Cover the bolt holes with the supplied plastic caps. Once they're out, the unit may settle a bit differently on the floor. Check the level of the unit. Use the open end of the included wrench to raise or lower the legs as needed, turning clockwise to raise and counterclockwise to lower.